If you are cooking any type of Igbo soup, it's always good to use.
Morning, guys. Did I make mention that foodstuff was coming for me from Jos, right? That sorry, my voice is a bit husky because what they call it, I just woke up not so long. But did I make mention that foodstuffs was coming for me from Jos, and Onyi was able to get someone from Jos that brought it along with her, right? And yesterday night we did the sharing and unboxing, but I couldn't even video because everywhere was just hot, you guys. Everywhere was hot. But I cannot believe that less than 20,000 naira, I mean less than 20,000 naira Nigerian money, that should be about how many? That should be about 20,000, should be about $10. No, I find that I write it on the screen, but I bought a lot. I couldn't believe that. So when they say paint buckets, right, I usually would think that it's the custard paint, because that's what we get here in this Lagos. Custard paint, paint. But when they say paint buckets, it is the actual paint bucket, like the actual paint bucket that they will say 4,500, because the sweet potato that I bought was paint bucket and it was for 4,500 naira. And I did not really understand the paint bucket. I thought it was our usual custard paint bucket. But you guys, boy oh boy, boy oh boy, man oh man, you guys, I have a big basket of sweet potatoes here. In fact, I need to actually share some off because I can't use everything. Everything is not going to waste. I'm going to share this video in two because I have to cook, right? I have to cook in this video, but I have to also sort out this food stuff that just came. I'm going to be showing you guys quickly. Actually, I'm going to be sorting out the food stuff that just came as well, and I'm going to be cooking as well. So let me show you guys the food stuff. It's down here. I separated them yesterday just for air to touch them. I will divide what I need to give to my sister, what I need to give to Uzo, because I can't use it on you guys. The shopping for this month and choke. Mother was asking me if I want to open a food. You need to see my pantry. I said, baby, because by the time you go to the market the next time, these prices are not smiling. It's better to bulk buy and just relax. For it was like this one, baby, you did not just bulk buy, because I bought from different places. And secondly, right, if you followed my market vlog, if you saw my market vlog, you heard me talk about milk, right? I actually went back to the store where I bought the milk for, I think, about 3,100, and it was still selling for 3,100. Inside the clip here, you guys, I cleared everything off the shelf. Hold on, this is just a few. You need to see my pantry. I actually wanted to take you guys to the pantry, but the light is not working there. This is just a few. I bought everything off the shelf for pick 1, 2, 3. That, I say pick Dano 1, 2, 3. You guys, in the market, I don't know what the market women were selling, but the prices were like 1,500 naira extra. I just gingerly went back, checked the expiry date, and packed everything off the shelf. Let me just breathe. Like, breathe. Most is saying that this one is market survey that I'm doing, so it's not even just shopping again, it's market survey. But let me show you guys what is down here. So you guys, right, everything here is actually less than 20,000 naira. This is, woo, I will bring it closer to actually show you guys. But this is onion, this is red pepper. It was supposed to be green pepper, but it ripened like through the journey. This is red pepper, this is yellow pepper, tatashe, shombo. You guys, let me bring it closer so that you guys can see very well. These are all the stuff that I got, but I shared the pepper, I shared the tatashe, I shared the I didn't even know that this is what they call the small size in Jos. And this size of what they call it, garbage, it was going for 500 naira. This size of garbage was going for 500 naira. You guys, this paint of Irish potato, it was going for 4,500. I actually thought that it was a small paint, but no. And you guys, a bag of onion, this is purple onion. A bag of onion was going for 10,000. So myself and Oyin bought a bag and we shared. The sweet potato was also going for 4,500. You guys, we just bought rubber paint of carrots, of green pepper, and it was about 2,000 naira each, and we actually shared it. And then we bought red pepper, 1,000, green pepper, tatashi and shombo. That's like basically what I bought from Jos. You guys, I ordered for full goats. I'm trying to wash up everything, but I said, let me show you something. Anytime somebody ever insults you and say, kiss my ass, just know that it's a very deadly insult. Because look at the ass of a goat. Baby, why are you laughing? You guys, look at the scrotum. What's that? Scrotum. Look at it.
The balls.
Baby, why are you here laughing? I'm still in the kitchen cooking. Which good meat, baby? How can you say that thing is good meat? See, if anybody tell you kiss my ass ever again as an insult, insult the person back well low, because hey, the ass is not a good looking thing.
What are you?
Baby, want to give it to Paul then?
Yes, no.
My husband wants to carry it and see. You see the sweetie?
You sweet me die.
He wants to carry it and give
This
to
is where the real protein is coming from.
Excuse me.
You guys, you want the real protein? Kiss the ass.
You guys, see the way I'm sweating. But anyways, guys, my husband says I should keep all these parts. He likes it. Left to me, I'm not going to eat it. All of these intestine parts and different things. What we're just doing is just prepping and Baby, come on, please. The penis is here. Oh, hey, it's male goat. So the Baby, look at the penis. Jesus.
Why
Why did they not remove it for me now?
not your meat now? How did
I mean, they want to really tell me that they gave me male goats.
If they remove it now and they say, oh, this one is missing, this one is missing.
All of you that will go and change what God has given you to another thing. Look, this is a male goat and it did not come with a female organ. Male. It's liver, intestine. See, I should keep it for you.
Liver is good now. That one is good.
Okay, no voila. You guys, let's get to cooking. Oyin's mom actually brought this ogiri for me. If you are cooking any type of Igbo soup, it's always good to use their spice called ogiri. It's smelly, but it's very sweet. Just very small.
Guys, this is ede, which is cocoyam. Mom, I'm cooking. You guys, look at this one. Just see. Who's daddy? Who is your daddy? One soup down. The next one is coming through. Gifty, from watching her video, Lovely Gift. You know my friend Lovely Gift on YouTube. From watching her video, I just remember that. Jesus, this is flour in my mouth. I was trying to open the flour container. But from watching her video, just remember that I'm actually supposed to bake banana bread. So let me just do that actually. As I'm cooking, Emma, what are you doing here? As I'm cooking, let me just put banana bread in the oven. So let's just make it. Water begins with water begins with You guys, I'm actually done now. This is one of the new soups I learned from Yudabasi's class. You guys, look at my banana bread.